Breaking political news. Paul Buchanan is making waves again, this time declaring that he is the true winner of the September 3rd election. But what does this mean for the Jamaican people, and where does it leave Andrew Holness and the JLP? Paul Buchanan, the PNP candidate for St. Andrew West Central, has boldly declared that he won the election. Despite the official results favoring the JLP, Buchanan points to irregularities on Election Day. Voters turned back at polling stations, reports of vote buying, and long delays that frustrated many Jamaicans. He insists that the people of St. Andrew West Central spoke clearly and that his victory was stolen by a tainted process. Buchanan has already filed his challenge with the constituted authority, calling for the results to be voided. The next step? A possible trip to the election court, where the final decision could shake the balance of power in Parliament. This declaration by Buchanan isn't just about one constituency, it raises big questions. Did corruption overshadow democracy? Are we witnessing the start of a major election scandal? And how will this shape the future of Jamaican politics? For the PNP supporters, this is a rallying cry. For the JLP, it's a storm cloud over their so-called victory. And for the Jamaican people, it's a reminder that the fight for fair elections is far from over. Family, this story is just heating up. Let the courts decide, so stay tuned, because the truth always comes out in the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Michy for the latest updates.